In this video, we're going to talk about how to adjust your regulator. Right now we have two of these tanks hooked up to a manifold, and it goes down and it's saying that we're running at about 5 psi. I have it hooked into a heat injector, and basically it's running on low gas, so you have to have some gas flowing. So what we're going to do is we're going to close off one of the tanks, and when I let it run on one of the tanks, I'll be able to see what the actual regulated pressure is on the other one. So you'll see on this one, here I'm going to turn this tank on, this tank off. Now what we'll do, if you take this top cap off, you may have to work on a little bit to get that off, but if you ever had to adjust it, you'll see that there's this little slot thing in there, and you'll notice that the key will actually fit right into that opening. So if you want more, you would actually increase it. If you want less, you would turn it down. So I'm going to actually adjust this down a little bit. We're going to set it at about 4.5. So if you just kind of put that in there, you'll see that that kind of twists. And then now you'll see down on the gas gauge that we're going to make it actually go down a little bit. So we're going to shoot for about 4.5. And let's say that's about 4.5, maybe about right there. So with this one, so we'll do that in about 4.5. There you go. So now, if I want to make sure that both of these are about the same, what we'll do is I will shut this one off and turn the other one on. And then now we'll be able to see what the gas pressure is on the other one. So you'll notice from the gauge that it is running a little bit over 5 too. So the real goal is that you set them about the same pressure, so their usage is about the same. So I want to go down a little bit, so I would actually put it in there, so those little pieces go on each side, and then I'm going to turn it counterclockwise. When you turn it counterclockwise, you'll notice that the regulated pressure actually goes down.